Hi there, I'm Santina at WTI. So I know we're all looking for good protection for our phones, and I found this new C glass screen protector for my iPhone mini 13, and I've been really happy with it. So first of all, the installation was great. My husband always helps me with the installation. He has great hands for that kind of work, and he had no trouble at all. It was one of the fastest I've ever seen him do. So I was very pleased with that. I also love that it comes with 3 screen protectors. So if you do make a mistake and you need to try again, you have that available to you. Or if you do great your first time around, you have some extras just in case you need them in the future. The instructions are very clear. They're right here on the back. It comes with some pictures. They're easy to understand. So overall, I think it's a great kit. It went on really easily, and I'm very pleased with it. And that's my point of view.